We're going to explain how to delete line breaks in Microsoft Word. There are several ways to do this, depending on whether you want to remove a single line break or multiple ones at once. Deleting a single line break. The simplest method is to place your cursor directly after the line break you want to remove. A line break is essentially invisible. It's the space between lines of text. You'll see no obvious character there, but pressing the backspace key will delete the line break and merge the text from the line above with the line below. Alternatively, you can place your cursor at the beginning of the line below the break and hit the delete key. This achieves the same result. 2. Deleting multiple line breaks. If you have multiple consecutive line breaks and you want to remove them all to create a single continuous paragraph, you might need a slightly different approach. You can manually use backspace or delete, pressing repeatedly, but that's inefficient for many breaks. A faster method is to select all the lines you want to merge using your mouse. Once selected, press backspace or delete. The selected area will collapse into a single line, removing all the line breaks between the selected text. 3. Using the replace function. For a very large number of line breaks, especially if they are inconsistent, some single, some double, etc., the replace function is the most efficient solution. Go to the Home tab and find the Replace button. It often looks like a magnifying glass with an arrow. Click it to open the Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find What field, press Enter twice to insert 2 line breaks. Leave the Replace with field blank. Click Replace All. This will replace all instances of double line breaks with nothing, effectively removing the extra space. Remember, this removes double line breaks. If you have only single line breaks, you need to adjust the Find What accordingly. You can experiment to use this function with one line break at a time as well. Using the paragraph. Formatting. If you have unwanted extra spacing between paragraphs, check your paragraph formatting. To the Home tab and look at the paragraph spacing options. You might have inadvertently increased the spacing between paragraphs. Reducing this will remove excess space without necessarily deleting line breaks directly, cleaning up your document's look efficiently. Experiment with these different options to see which method best suits the specific situation and the number of line breaks you need to remove. Remember to save your document after making these changes.